Thank you for the top ADM. Hello, how are you? I'm Magic. Hello, Albram. Magic, how are you, Magic? Manuel, hello. Nico, thank you for the top, Nico. How are you, Nico? Hi, she. Hello, Enjoy. Hello, Enjoy. Enjoy some Nico. Okay lang. Where are you from? Hello, she. How are you, Shield? Pogi, hi, Pogi. Thank you for the follow, Pogi. Ikaw, okay lang. How's the actually ako original? Oh, wow. What time is it there? Pero nagkatira ako sa Sweden. Oh, really? Why do you know how to speak Tagalog? Hello, Mark. How are you, Mark? Welcome, guys. How are you doing? Oh, what time is it there in Sweden? Alam ko lang to. Why do you know? How? Hello, Elmer. Mga simpleng lang. Oh, that's nice. You know how? I picked some. Oh, nice. So what time is it there? Hi, Dala. What time is it there in Sweden? Hi, class. Hi, Z. Hello, Adam. Hi, everyone. 12:32 p.m. Oh, hi, Red. Oh, it's afternoon. Yeah. So good afternoon to you. Hi, Red Ball. How are you, Red Ball? Hello, and Mr. Gray. Hello. Aki. Hi, Aki. Sino po andito? Hi, Jose. How are you, Jose? Sino mo? Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Sino sila? Rami, hi, Rami. Casey. Sino si Casey? Hi, Balde. Hello, Shake. Andrew. Hi, Andrew. How are you, Andrew? Yoro, no name. Hola, Mr. O. Ali. Hi, David. Tudo bem? Hello, Lara. Hi. Hi, Angry Emoji. Hi, Mom. Hi, Darren.